Guys, in this video we are going to see how to install JDK on a Mac. Now JDK is used to run Java. Now first of all you need to check whether you already installed or not. To do that, click this Apple sign on the top corner and click System Preference. Click System Preference, and if you have already installed Java, you will see in this down right here you will see Java. If you don't see it, it means you didn't install it yet. If you didn't install it yet, what you have to do is you have to go to search bar and go to terminal. You can directly go to website as well, but this one is much easier because if you go to website you might end up in different places. In terminal, just type java space dash version, and once you type this, it says command not found, and then there should be a this one I made a spelling mistake. Java dash version. You will say no Java runtime present, requesting install, and you will see a pop-up comes right like this. Once the pop-up comes up, you have to click more info and it brings you to the oracle.com. that's where you have to download Java, and then you will see the Java download right here. Click that one. Once you click that, you will see message like this. Here you have to accept a license agreement, and you will see all the different operating system you can download this one. For Mac OS, I'm using a MacBook, so I have to download Mac OS. But in the Mac OS, make sure you download the extension bin.dmg, not the second one. Click the bin.dmg and it's downloading, and I already downloaded. You have to wait if you are not downloaded. I downloaded right here. It's right here. I run this one. It's loading right here. And click this one, and then you are gonna ask it's gonna ask you to go continue and step by step. Click install, and then I give my password. Now install succeed. Now you can check it again. Go to this Apple sign and then system preferences. It should be here. I installed it just now. Why it's not there? I search again. Terminal Java dash version. Java is the environment. Java is already there, but it's not showing me for some reason. If you see here, you can see like when you type java dash version, it's already said Java version 13.01 and today's date. It means it's already installed right here. Not today's date, it's actually a different date. I don't know, maybe the version time, I don't know. Once you see it, it means it's installed, but usually I saw that in system preferences. I don't know what happened. Maybe the new Mac update, it's not showing right here, because usually I see that here with other things. And that's it. Once you install, you are done. See you guys on my next video.